interested about essential oils but just have no idea where to start, then you are perfect for this class, and it's entitled The Essential Oil Experience. And that's because it's a little bit different than some of the other online courses that you may have taken about essential oils. So I'm Jen. I am the author and creator of At Home with Jen, which is a health and wellness blog, and I want to invite you to this class. So we're going to go through 12 different essential oils, but the thing that is different is that when you sign up, I'm going to send you a little packet of those 12 different oils that we're going to go through. So you not only get to learn about the essential oils itself, but you get to use them, because I really believe that that is the best way to learn about oils, is to actually use them. So you'll have my guidance. We'll go along with the oils. We're going to teach about what you can use them for, how to use them, and the safety of using essential oils. So I hope you'll join me. Go ahead and enroll today, and then I will see you in class.